Hey, I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of the buzzing, whining sound when you have amp with your head unit, and I'm going to show you right now. Basically, you see my subwoofer. Over here you got my amp and the wires connecting to it. Let's go up to the front seat, and you will see how I set mine up. And what I did was I went ahead and used this radio has 6 outputs. It's called sum out or whatever. I'm not using that. So what I did, I got a RCA cord and I ran it right back to the radio to help reroute that ground. Like I said, it helps better if you got basically 6 outputs coming out of your back of your radio. And the one of them that I'm not using is the sum out or whatever on the radio. So what I did, I got the RCA cord, traced it right back to the radio. All I did was snipped off a AC card and put that connecting piece to it or whatever. But I guarantee you, if you do this, your buzzing sound will completely go away. But let's just say you have a slight buzzing sound still. You can barely hear it, but you can still hear just a little bit. I went ahead and installed an isolator, and it completely noise is gone. Okay, so I hope this helps out. But like I said, if you see how I got it hooked up, I got 6 outputs on the back of this radio. Of course, 2 of them I'm not using. So what I did, I went ahead and used the RCA cord, and I cut it, and I put this connector on there so I can connect it back to the radio. So try that, man, and I guarantee you your buzzing sound will go away. All right? Good luck.